Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to look at determinant of a 2x2 matrix. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the definition of a determinant as well as the symbols that are used to denote determinant of the matrix. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also invite your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, remember to like it and share with your friends. With that being said, let's get into today's lesson. Okay, so let's start with the symbols that are used to denote the determinant of a matrix. So to show the determinant of a matrix, symbols which are A in between two straight lines is used, as well as the word det and the name of the matrix. So now, when we say A in between the straight line, we are talking about it can be any name of a matrix. It can be B, C, but the name of the matrix, the letter is put in between the vertical straight lines. Okay, and the other way you can denote the determinant of a matrix is by also just writing det, then the name of the matrix in capital letters. You just write det, that is det, then the name of the matrix in capital letters. Okay, let's go to the next point, which is the definition of determinant, or how we find determinant. Okay, so we are saying we find determinant of a matrix by subtracting the product of the elements of the trailing diagonal from the product of the element of the leading diagonal. Okay, if you don't know how to identify the elements that forms trailing and leading diagonal of a matrix, check on our description box. We have put a link of a video which will teach you how to identify the trailing diagonal, the elements that forms trailing diagonal as well as leading diagonal. Okay, so we are saying a determinant is found by subtracting the product of the elements of the trailing diagonal from the product of the element of the leading diagonal. Okay, now let's put these ideas into practice by doing two examples. We're just going to do two examples. Okay, so the first one is this matrix A, which has got elements which are 4, 2, 6, 4. Matrix A has the element of 4, 2, 6, 4. So we want to find the determinant of this matrix. So what we're going to do is, first we need to identify the leading diagonal, the elements that forms leading diagonal, as well as elements that forms trailing diagonal. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to write okay, there on top I realized that I wrote det instead of det, so it should be det, not det. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to, coming to our first example, first of all, I'm going to identify the leading diagonal, the elements that forms the leading diagonal, as well as the elements that forms trailing diagonal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the first symbol. I'll use both. So in the next example, I'm going to write the different symbol, which is det-A. Okay, so it's going to be det-B or det, the name of the matrix we're going to have. So, like I was saying, now I've written the symbol of determinant A, the determinant of A, the matrix A, the determinant of matrix A is equal to, the determinant of matrix A is equal to. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the leading diagonal, or the elements that forms the leading diagonal, which are these 4 on top and 4 down. These they form a leading diagonal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply those. So as you can see, in the definition we are told the product. So when we talk about the product, we are talking about multiplying. So I'm going to multiply 4 by that 4 on top by that 4 down. Okay, then I'm going to close bracket. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to now write, I'm going to write minus. First I will identify the trailing diagonal which starts from 6 going up. So 6 going up, that is the trailing diagonal. So 6 and 2, those are the numbers that form, or those are elements that forms the trailing diagonal. So I'm going to multiply 6. First of all, I'm going to write minus, then I multiply 6 multiplied by the 6 down here multiplied by the 2 on top there, which is going to be like that. Okay, once I've done that, then I've made the expression for the determinant. So now what I'm going to do is just to find the products. So I'm going to say equal to, I'm going to say 4 times 4 will give us 16, which is going to be equal to 16, then minus 12. 6 by 2 will give us 12. Okay, so 6 by 2 give us 12. So we have 16 minus 12, which will give us 4. That is the determinant of this matrix. Okay, the next thing is, let's go to the next example. Okay, so the next example is that one. Okay, we have 2, negative 2, 4, 4 down. Okay, 2, negative 2, 4, 4 down. Okay, all right. So now we are going to find the determinant of this matrix. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use the second symbol, which is dent B, because the name of this matrix is B. So I'm going to write dent B. Then I'm going to identify the leading diagonal, which is 2 and 4 there. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 4. So which is going to be 2 by 4 there. And then minus the trailing diagonal, which is 4 by 2. Okay, so I'm going to say minus, then open bracket 4, then multiply by what? Negative 2. Okay, so now once I've done that, then the next thing I'm going to find the products of these expressions. So 4 by 4 will give us 8, then 4 by negative 2 will give us negative 8. So it's going to be minus negative 8. Okay, so as we do in algebraic expression, so what is there is where there is a negative, it's more or less like there is 1. So I'm going to multiply 1 by negative 8. So let me write 8 first. Then 1 by negative 8 will give us positive. In fact, it's negative 1 multiplied by negative 8 will give us positive 8, which we are now going to add. 8 plus 8 will give us 16. So 16 is the determinant of this second matrix. So basically, this is how you find determinant of a given matrix. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also invite your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.